After reviewing our investment portfolios, I think it makes sense to pool our resources and start investing together.
I agree, Alia. We have both done well individually, but combining our funds could give us access to bigger opportunities and better diversification.
Thus, with our different areas of expertise, we can make more informed decision. But have thought about the best way to structure this.
Yes, I've been looking into it. I think for me, a partnership and opening a joint investment account is the best approach. It offers the benefit of pooling our resources while allowing us to share the responsibility and decision making.
It makes sense. But I would like to include some international exposure to diversify further. And we should also include our limit to review our portfolios and we can make any adjustments, I think.
Quarterly meetings should work. We can also keep each other updated via emails or calls if something urgent comes up.
Perfect. So we have a plan. We finalize our partnership agreement, get it reviewed by a lawyer, and then go to the bank for open the account. Have you looked up for which bank we should go with?
Yes, I did some research. Here, Bank Rakyat seems like the best option. They offer comprehensive investment services, have good reviews, and also provide access to financial advisors and market research tools.
Really sounds good to me. Let's set up an appointment with them for this week.
Okay.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Rakyat. What can I help you?
We intend to open a partnership investment account.
Oh, can I get your IC? Okay. Okay, this is your number. So, have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
2002. Please come to the counter.
Morning, it's a pleasure to have you. To get started, can I have your NRIC and latest previously equipment statement? Oh,
Here you go.
Might as well. Thank you.
Before we talk about your investment account, I would like to explain about the 5C. First C is character. To summarize, your overall trustworthiness, personality and credibility. Second is capacity, to indicate your ability to repay a loan based on the available cash flow. Third is capital, to demonstrate your level of commitment. Condition, the overall health of the economy and the specific of the loan. The last is collateral, a valuable asset you pledge to secure a lender's interest in the loan's balance. Okay, first we will look at the difference between conventional and Islamic deposit. Conventional deposit and interest, which is a fixed return regardless of the bank performance. The banks bear all the risk, and depositor are guaranteed their principal plus interest. However, interest or riba is prohibited in Islam, making the conventional deposit non-compliant in Sharia law. While the Islamic deposit, on the other hand, operate on profit and loss sharing principle aligning with Sharia law. Both of the bank and depositor share profit and losses, ensuring compliance with Islamic principle, avoiding riba, accepting regardless, and investment forbidden.
Oh, okay. So if I understand correctly, in Islamic deposit, my returns depend on how well the bank's investment perform.
Exactly. The profit sharing model aligns with Islamic principle, ensuring that both risk and reward are shared.
So this means that the bank will only invest in Sharia compliant ventures. Am I right?
Yes, and Islamic deposit are structured and ensure ethical investing, which is something many of our customers value highly. So investment account is class will operate as follows.
First, the party assign a mudharabah agreement and mutually agree on the profit sharing ratio. Second, the account holder places an investment in his account in Islamic bank. The third is the bank invests the fund in Sharia compliant investment activities that are expected to make a profit. As the fourth, the profit generated from this investment are shared between the bank and the account holder. The profit sharing ratio is pre-agreed upon at the time of account opening. For example, the bank might take 60% of the profit and the account holder will receive 40%.
Oh, okay. So, Miss, how often do you distribute the profits?
Profit are typically distributed on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis, depending on the term you agree when opening the account. Okay, to open an investment account with Plus, you need to follow the requirement. You must be at least 18 years old and provide identification documents such as your NRIC and proof of income. You also need the minimum initial deposit amount, which is varies depending on the product terms. And lastly, the account must be compliant with Sharia principle, ensure that all transaction investment are conducted in accordance with Islamic law. So next, I will show you about the profit calculation.
And as for the profit rate, let me give you an example of how profit rate is calculated. The annual profit rate is 30% and your deposit is 10,000. So, RM 10,000 times 3% and you will get RM 300. So the total amount for 1 year is 10,000 plus 300 and you will get 10,300.
And this profit rate, does it fluctuate based on the bank's performance?
Yes, the actual profit you earn can fluctuate based on the performance of investment made by the bank. Regarding your withdrawal and withdrawal, partial withdrawal may reduce the profit rate or incur a fee. Preventive withdrawal may result in the loss of profit or principal depending on the amount at maturity. The account can be automatically renewed unless you instruct us.
So, if what if I need to access my fund urgently? Is there any way to withdraw without significant penalties?
You can withdraw, but it might affect your profit rate or incur a fee. We recommend planning withdrawal ahead if possible to avoid penalties. So next is important. It's important to keep your account active. An account is considered inactive if it has no transaction for 12 months and is become dormant if remain inactive for 24 months. Usually, unclaimed monies are transferred to the registries of unclaimed monies after 7 years of inactivity.
So, how do you notify us if the account approaching dormancy?
We send notification to remind you of the inactivity before it's become dormant. You can also check the status of your account through our online banking service. And last, if you wish to close your account, you need to submit a closure request form and return the passbook and certificate. We will pay out any remaining profit and principal to you.
So, if I want to close the account, do I have to pay any fee or something?
Typically, there is no fee for closing the account unless specific in the account terms. We will provide you with all the detail when we decide to close the account.
I see.
As for the last, investment account with Plus will offer several advantages. One of it is profit sharing aligned with Islamic principle of fairness and justice. Okay, once your investment account is approved, you will receive a passbook and certificate as proof of your investment. This ensures you have a tangible record of your account detail and transaction. Do you have any question or would you like to proceed with opening an Islamic investment account?
I think this sounds good. Let's proceed.
Yes, I agree. Let's open the investment account.
Excellent. We will get the report start. Wait. I will get.
Yes, Shaila. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
So, what can I help you?
This is the document about our new customer who want to open the Islamic investment account. I already briefed them about our product and so on.
Oh, okay. So, you want approval, right?
Yes.
I think this customer have a good potential for our bank, so I approve.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
So you guys, your application has been approved. So now you just need to transfer your fund through your internet banking and choose your investment account option.
Thank you for your assistance.
My pleasure. Thank you for choosing us.
Hey, what's wrong with you? I always found it at my office, so it's kind of hard for me to rely on public transportation. So, I think, what if I want to apply for vehicle financing? I think it's good for you. And also you have already a permanent job, right? So maybe you will be able to apply the financing. So what if we try to look up for any nearby bank right now? What do you think? Maybe? Okay, let's go.
Good morning. How can I assist you?
I want to apply for new vehicle financing. Can you help me with that?
Yes, sure. First, could I ask what vehicle financing do you like to apply, alongside with your age and occupation?
I am 20 years old and I am working as a clerk at Sapura Holdings. I am here to apply for a new vehicle financing.
Can I have your NRIC and other supporting documents such as one copy of your my card, one copy of driver license, one copy of most recent salary slip, 3-month bank statement, and one copy of the most recent EPS statement for private sector employees. Did you bring it?
Yes, of course I bring it. Here you go.
So I have already checked your background, and to apply for this financing, you must have a guarantor.
Yeah, I brought my guarantee today since I know that depending on my financial status, I may not be able to qualify for the financing. Wait, yeah, I will call her. Sis, yes? Can you come with me? I need you. Okay.
So you are the guarantor.
Yes, I am her sister, so I am willing to be her guarantor.
Okay, so you wait here for a while. I will call our bank manager for the helping. Okay, this is our bank manager, Miss Martia. She will explain the following facts to you and your guarantor. Would you like to apply for conventional or Islamic vehicle financing?
I want to apply for Islamic vehicle financing, but first, can I know the difference between conventional and Islamic vehicle financing?
Yes, I can help you. Here are the primary distinction between conventional and Islamic vehicle financing. To begin, interest versus no interest. Under conventional financing, the bank charge interest on the loan, and consumer are obligated to repay both the loan and interest. However, Islamic banking regard interest as a riba, or we call it usury, and hence prohibited it. Instead, Islamic financing employs terms like akad murabahah, ijarah wa iktina, and musyarakah mutanakisah. Next, the second one is a risk sharing. In in traditional financing, the consumer takes the entire risk of repaying the loans. However, Islamic finance exposes bank to some risks due to the loans principle involved. Third, Sharia money is intended to support halal aims. As a result, consumer must advise bank to of their intent used for the loans, and once received, they must spend it as agreed. And then lastly, asset ownership is Islamic financing, and the asset ownership is apparent and is frequently handed to the bank or held jointly in musyarakah until the consumer completes his payment. In contrast, with conventional finance, the banker retain title until the debt is entire returned. So our bank is Islamic cooperative bank. So we only offer Sharia compliance, product, service and financial facility that adhere to Islamic principle and prohibited interest in all operations.
Oh, I see. So what are the type of product that Bank Raya offer for Islamic vehicle financing, and what are the contract use?
Syariah.
Oh, Sharia contract use.
In Bank Raya, we offer a few products for vehicle financing. So you can see here. The first product that we offer is Hire Purchase Vehicle Financing I An-Naqlu 1, which is used contract Al-Ijarah to Al-Bay' ITAB. The second product is Vehicle Financing I An-Naqlu 2 that use the contract Tawarruk. The third product is Vehicle Financing I An-Naqlu 2 Graduate SIM that use the Tawarruk contract 2. This product is for someone that already graduate from her or his study. The minimum requirement for this product is a diploma holder. The fourth product is Hire Purchase I Unregistered Recognition Car that use the contract ITAB. The last product is Hire Purchase Vehicle Financing I for senior citizen, which is maximum financing tenure up to 90 years or exceeding 65 years old at the end of financing tenure. This product also use ITAB contract. For you, I suggest you take the first one, which is Vehicle Financing I An-Naqlu 1, because this is a flexible and affordable installment scheme for purchasing a new car, and also the Sharia contract used is ITAB, which is commonly used right now.
Oh, I see. I agree with that. So, can you explain to me more details about the modus operandi of this contract?
Yes, I can explain to you. The contract has two parts. The first stage is a leasing contract, which is Ijarah, in which the Islamic financial institution leases the car to the customer for a set amount of time. The second stage is a selling contract, which is Al-Bay', which allows the consumer to purchase the vehicle from the Islamic financial institution. And at the end of the lease period, if the consumer decides to purchase the vehicle, ownership of the vehicle will be transferred from the Islamic financial institution to them.
As you said earlier to us that my sister can take the first product, so can you explain to us what is the eligibility and requirement to purchase the product?
Oh, for that you must be a Malaysian citizen and not less than 18 years old and up to 16 years old that at the end of financing tenure.
May I see the profit rate calculation for the new vehicle financing?
Of course I can. So for a new vehicle, we offer three types of maximum of financing that you can apply with different profit rates. So I show you. Okay, for the first one is 5 years, which is 3.3% per annum, and the second one is 7 years, which is 3.4% per annum, and the last one, as you can see in this laptop, is 9 years, which is 3.5% per annum.
So what do you think? Oh, I think I want to apply for 9 years. Can you show me the calculation?
So, RM 42,000 times 3.5% times 9 and you will get RM 13,230. To calculate the monthly installment, the selling price is divided by the tenure, which is 42,000 plus 13,230 divided by 108 and you will get 511 ringgit 39 cents.
Wow, I think it's affordable for you.
I know, right? So what if I want to make an early settlement? Can I get a rebate? Of course, you will get the rebate. As for the products you want to apply right now, we use an ITAB contract. You should pay the settlement sum, which is referred to the balance of outstanding or sum equivalent to the aggregate of. And the first, the balance of the original payment under the ITAB agreement. And the second, late payment charges, if any, and the third, ada some payment by the customer to the bank. Less of the aggregate, the amount paid by or behalf of customer, and the second, statutory rebates for terms charges, if any, and third, a cancellation of takaful policy or statutory rebates for the takaful, if any.
Wow, excellent. So, I want to ask you if I fail to fulfill my obligations. For example, if I make a late payment, what happened?
You must pay compensation for your position, which is referred to ta'wid. If you make a late payment during the financing tenure, you must pay 1% per annum on the overdue installment amount. However, if you make a late payment after the financing tenure has expired, you must pay no more than the prevailing daily overnight Islamic Interbank Money Market Rate (IIMM) on the outstanding balance.
Oh, I see. Inshallah, I will not make any late payment. Do I need any takaful coverage for this vehicle financing?
Yes, you should get a motor coverage from a licensed takaful company. However, if you choose to subscribe to insurance coverage, you will be responsible for the contribution of premium cost.
If like that, I will go for takaful rather than insurance. I have one last question. What if the default events occur?
The bank reserve the right to repose the car and pursue legal action against the customer with all associated costs incurred by the customer.
We understand now, and based on what both of you just stated to us, I think it sounds okay, right? Yes, so I am ready to proceed.
Nice, let's get started. Okay, here is your agreements, which is both of you must sign before I approve your financing. After everything has been clear, you will be able to pick up your vehicle from car dealer.
Okay, done.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for choosing us.
Thank you.